Monsoon-like weather, thunderstorm in Mapusa on October 31st, 2023, evening around 8 o'clock. There is lightning intermittently, but the radiant of lightning is quite away, quite far from Mapusa. It's several kilometers. So it is raining somewhere else. Here it has rained a few millimeters, as we can see here. This is post-monsoon rain. Almost after 4 weeks we have got this rain. Official departure of southwest monsoon. This is not southwest monsoon, but cyclonic or some disturbance in the Arabian Sea, which I have not seen. So I have to check now the time interval. It is at exactly 112 minutes that I started this video, and I am expecting, if it is interval between two lightning flashes is 75 seconds, then when I reach 2 minutes and 25 to 2 minutes and 30 seconds, I may see another flash again. Let us see, because that gives some idea about the distance of the radiant of this thunder. The sound is heard late because the speed of sound is less and the speed of light is much higher, 300,000 kilometers per second. So I expect within few seconds another lightning burst. Let me see if I am correct. Yes, I am absolutely correct. I saw lightning flash, and that is the beauty of science.